Hey there, let's see how you can use WhatsApp voice message transcripts on your WhatsApp using your iPhone. For that, first you have to open up your WhatsApp. Now go to the settings tab at the bottom right, scroll down a bit and head into the chat section. Here you will see an option called voice message transcripts. Go ahead and switch that on. Once it's on, you will need to set your preferred language. So right under that, tap on choose language and pick the one you want. Mine's already set, but go ahead and select your if you haven't yet. Now go back to your chats, find any voice message you want to transcribe. Now you will find two options. You can go by tap on this transcribe option or just press and hold the voice message. You will see a transcribed option pop up. Go on and select that. And you will see your voice message will turn into text just like that. That's it. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.